In today's fast-paced world, having a kitchen appliance that can handle multiple tasks and save you valuable time is a game changer. This Comfee 6-quart pressure cooker offers exactly that, providing a versatile, all-in-one solution to your cooking needs. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or someone who simply loves the convenience of a multifunctional kitchen appliance, the Comfee pressure cooker is designed to make your life easier and your meals more delicious. Why choose the Comfee 6-quart pressure cooker? The Comfee pressure cooker is a perfect blend of efficiency, versatility, and ease of use. It's designed to replace multiple appliances in your kitchen, freeing up valuable counter space while maximizing your cooking options. Let's dive into the key features that make this pressure cooker stand out. Number 1. 9 appliances in one. Save space and time. Pressure cooker cuts down cooking time significantly, allowing you to prepare meals faster while locking in flavors and nutrients. Slow cooker, ideal for preparing stews, soups, and tender meats, giving you the freedom to set it and forget it. Sauté pan, sear, brown, or sauté ingredients in the same pot to enhance the flavor of your dishes. Rice cooker, cook perfect rice, whether it's white, brown, or jasmine rice, with the touch of a button. Yogurt maker, prepare homemade yogurt in the comfort of your kitchen with ease. Cake maker, bake cakes and desserts just like you would in an oven, but with a faster cook time. Egg cooker, hard-boil eggs to perfection with a simple press of a button. Steamer, steam vegetables, fish, and other delicate foods quickly and efficiently. Food warmer, keep your food warm until you're ready to serve it, ensuring you can enjoy hot meals at any time. Number 2. 12 preset smart programs. Easy, one-touch cooking. Preset cooking programs. With 12 smart programs to choose from, the Comfee pressure cooker is designed to handle a wide variety of meals. Whether you're preparing steamed vegetables, a hearty chili, or a creamy bowl of oatmeal, these presets make cooking a breeze. Customizable recipes. The device also comes with a collection of electronic recipes tailored to a young, modern lifestyle. These recipes are perfect for anyone who's juggling work, social activities, and family life. You can easily download recipes from the product page to get started right away. The intuitive interface ensures that cooking is a straightforward and stress-free process. Just select the preset, and the cooker will automatically adjust the pressure and temperature settings, so you don't have to worry about the details. Number 3. Advanced safety protection. Cook with confidence. Lid lock and pressure limiting valve. The Comfee pressure cooker is equipped with a lid lock that prevents accidental opening under pressure, ensuring safety throughout the cooking process. Overheat protection. If the cooker overheats, it automatically shuts down, providing an added layer of safety. Automatic pressure and temperature control. With precise control over pressure and temperature, the cooker ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. UL certified. The cooker is UL certified, meeting rigorous safety standards so you can cook with peace of mind. Number 4. Healthy nonstick inner pot. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick coating. The non-stick inner pot ensures that food doesn't stick to the surface, making cleanup quick and easy. Dishwasher-safe. Simply remove the inner pot and place it in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. BPA-free materials. All components that come in contact with food are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your meals are safe and healthy. With this non-stick pot, you can enjoy cooking without the stress of scrubbing pots and pans afterward. Number 5. Large 6-quart capacity. Perfect for family meals. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for preparing meals for up to 6 people. Whether you're making a batch of soups, a pot roast, or rice, this cooker provides ample space to prepare meals for the whole family or even guests. Why you should buy the Comfee 6-quart pressure cooker? The Comfee pressure cooker is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a multitasking powerhouse that simplifies meal prep, saves time, and gives you the freedom to create delicious, healthy meals with minimal effort. From pressure cooking to slow cooking, rice cooking, sautéing, and even making yogurt and cakes, this appliance does it all, and does it exceptionally well. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or meal prepping for the week, the Comfee pressure cooker has you covered. With its 12 preset smart programs, advanced safety features, and non-stick inner pot for easy cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone looking to save time and cook like a pro. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.